Hi, I'm Dustin Thompson, crew leader at FortisBC. When extreme weather, such as strong winds and very dry conditions, lead to a Public Safety Power Shutoff, or PSPS event, I help lead the crews that are responsible for getting the power back on. Once extreme weather conditions begin to improve, we follow a thorough power restoration plan that prioritizes community safety. Severe weather can do a lot of damage to the electrical system. Our crews stay prepared to make repairs even in the most rugged areas. We manually inspect power lines and equipment to check for any damage or hazards that may have occurred during the PSPS event. The inspection process helps ensure that the system is safe to operate. When inspections are complete and it is safe to do so, power will be restored. Customers may notice power turning back on at different times as sections of the electrical system are re-energized. If your power is still off, but our outage map shows it as restored, please contact us to report an outage. After power has been restored, we continue to monitor weather conditions and wildfire risk. This monitoring helps us ensure our system operates safely and allows crews to respond quickly if conditions change again. PSPS events are rare, but power outages can happen throughout the year for other reasons, such as storms, equipment damage, or necessary maintenance. We understand the disruption that can be caused by power outages, which is why PSPS events are used only during extreme weather conditions and high wildfire risk. Staying informed and prepared can help you and your family manage any type of power outage. If someone in your household relies on electricity for medical equipment, call us to register as a vulnerable customer. To learn more about PSPS and sign up for advance notice, visit fortisbc.com/PSPS. And for information about how to prepare, visit preparedbc.ca.